How to fix this Google Play error? It seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. So guys, the solution is really simple, so let me show it to you. So first we want to go to our settings, and then from here you want to scroll down until you find apps. So from here you can either scroll down until you find Play Store or Google Play, or you can just hit on this search bar icon from the right top corner and search for Play Store or Google Play. Click on it, and after that you have to go to storage. And here you have to clear the data and the cache. So after you've done that, you can also restart your phone, and after that I'm 100% sure that it will work. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also ask some questions so we can answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.